I don't go shooting with your RP. Cause you take the trying to save me.
But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, it's fall. I feel like my hair is screaming it to you guys. It's fall, y'all. I am so excited. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. I feel like it's the best transitional weather. I just wish that everywhere I lived had longer fall seasons. I feel like right in the beginning, it still feels a little like summer. And then there's fall and it's like perfect. The leaves are changing. They're falling for like 2 weeks. And then I feel like it gets cold. So I just wish we had fall weather longer. I just had a birthday, so super excited about that. But y'all, let's just go ahead and get into it. But before we do, I have to send some love to my sunlight, sunbright, sunshine of the day. Thank you so much. And I also have a special shout out today. My little cousin Kennedy just turned 9. So I had to send a huge birthday shout out to her. Happy birthday, Kennedy. I promised her that I would give her a shout out on my video. So yes, she's a beautiful young flower that's just blossoming. And I'm just so excited to see how she's going to continue to grow and amaze me and her family throughout the years. And I also have to give a huge thank you over to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this unit to review. Thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending this unit. So yeah, let's just go ahead. I'm going to do this review a little bit differently. I'm going to insert the process for this hair right here while I talk about it right here. So little bit of different formatting, but yeah, let's just get into it and see what we're talking about. So yeah, so this is from Sensationelle. Yes, this is their Wet Lace series, the Swiss Lace with Cloud 9. This is Zaila. Again, I have her in the color Flamboyage Auburn. This unit did come with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and this is a 13x6, I believe, so like frontal type wig. Now, taking this unit out of the pack, the color was bomb. I'm not gonna lie, I love this color. If they didn't do anything else right with this, honey, it's the color for me. Yeah, so it's the color. But I did notice that the hair looked a little bit dry, a little bit kind of kinky coming directly out of the pack. But you will see that I show that to you. But it was like, okay, I feel like I can just kind of go in, brush it up, see what it is. I will say that this hair also had a really dense hairline. So I did go in, did a little plication throughout the sides and the front. I didn't do too much. You'll see a snippet, but you know, I did what I did. I went ahead and put this unit on, and I could tell she was a bit snug. The adjustable straps were in the furthest connector, so I didn't change that because, you know, I am 22.5 inches for reference in terms of head diameter, so I left that on the furthest. It is snug, but it's not uncomfortable. So yes, I did show you a left part, a middle part, as well. I'm sorry, a right part, a middle part, as well as this left part that I'm currently here. Left side gang, stand up. Yes, I love me a left side part. Now, I will say that with 13x6 units, you do have the freedom to kind of part wherever you feel comfortable. So I did, you know, like I said, go ahead with the left side part, kept it there. You could, with this style, do like a half up, half down if you wanted to. If you wanted to wear it back and all that kind of stuff, you can do that. With this unit, because it was a little snug on me, she ain't going nowhere. You'll see in my hair flip test, she didn't go anywhere. But I didn't glue this one down. I didn't feel like I had another video I had to film for today. As well, I've been doing some vlogging, so I knew I didn't want to like glue it down just to have to do another review and take that off. So it was just like, Okay, I love that I'm able to wear this glueless. Now, this hair is definitely full, so I feel that it's perfect like fall weather, depending on where you're located. Perfect fall time weather hair. I am getting a little warm under the lights and everything, so also keep that in mind. I would not have this unit as like a summer wig because it might get a little hot. I would say this unit is definitely full. She's giving me, she's not really silky, this particular unit in this color, because you know, the more specialized colors, the more specialty colors, the units tend to be a little bit thicker, more on the yaki end of the spectrum. So I'm not mad about that. I like a more yaki textured unit. With this one, I can see that this one will probably be a lot more kinky, probably get a little bit tangles a lot faster than a more natural color in this style hair. Overall though, I'm really liking it. The length she's giving me, like, I don't know, like mid to lower back. I say she's like a good 18-20 inches. I feel like this would be the perfect color style if it was like right here, like shoulder length, like everyday type hair. That would be dope. Because she's so long, you have to worry about the ends and stuff kind of getting ratted and tattered, so you have to go in and keep snipping. But if you wanted to snip to like here, you could have you a good like everyday unit. Just make sure you brush it out, take good care of it, all that jazz. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have for you. Oh, so I did go in, I used my Fit Me powder to tint the lace, and on top I did just kind of go in with my MAC Studio Fix in the NC40, just in the parting space a little bit. I didn't do too much with the edges up here because I don't really like overdone edges, so that's that on that. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything, and I did go in with the Shea Moisture Wig and Weave. It's the Flyaway mousse, just to kind of smooth things out. There was some flyaways. I still have a little bit. I didn't use too much, but I did that, and I went in with my wig brush and just thoroughly brushed through this hair, because some of the hairs were different textures. Some of the hairs were just kind of like all over the place. So just give you a little bit of togetherness. So that's what I did. Overall, I'm really liking this unit. I would give her, let's say like a 6.5 out of 10, maybe a close 7. Just because the color is saving it for me. It's the color, you know what I'm saying? Perfect fall. I can't wait to go out, take some pictures so you guys can see this in the natural daylight. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. If you like this look, if you are here for more fall inspired, fall colored wigs, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Like we be running the mad and never